Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today I have a PC case for you actually. It's going to be the Cooler Master MasterBox TD500 Mesh. Piece here from Cooler Master is in all white color. It also comes with 3 fans included. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out from this case and include it in the back of this case. Alright, check it out. So if you watched my last video, you'll know that my motherboard doesn't fit inside this case. So I have to go ahead and upgrade to something much bigger. This one here, which all supports up to E-ATX motherboard. It's almost twice as big as my previous case. So I'm really excited to open this up, check it out, see what it comes with, and see some of the features. Alright, let's try to get this thing out. Got the user guide right here. Tells you how to disassemble it, how to connect the RGB. Yeah, this thing is pretty big. Got yourself a dust cover up here. Mesh on the front. Has some nice edges to it right here. USB 3.0 ports. Got your power button, your headphone jack, your microphone jack. So the front of it is a 4mm tempered glass. You can tell it's pretty thick. Has this nice design to it. They call it crystalline tempered glass. So you can see how it's shaped from here. And it blends right in to this edge right here into the case. Curious to see how the LED lights will react with these cuts and edges. Alright, let's go ahead and take this tempered glass off. So it just has these tabs on the bottom and just the 2 screws on top. Great quality so far. Rubber grommets for cable management. You got your motherboard standoffs already installed. One thing that I like also that I noticed, these right here, the openings for the graphic cards and the other for other ports, you can just screw them right off. With my old case, I had to break them off. Alright, comes off just like this. You got your hooks for your zip ties right here. Your cables included. You got your controller for your fans. You got your zip ties. Bay. Hard drive and also SSD. I like that it's hidden, not exposed, so you won't see them inside the case. This panel also comes off, just like that. You got 3 fans already installed. Alright, so now that we got a look at the case, I'm going to go ahead and finish setting up my PC with my new motherboard and my new CPU cooler. We'll go ahead, power it on, and see what it looks like. Alright everyone, there you have it. Got everything hooked up in there. As you can see, the LED lights on the motherboard. Got the fan from my previous case in there in the back, and it already came with 3 fans in the front. Alright, I'm looking to have a lot of fun with this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.